Chips, salsa, a prickly pear margarita. Hey, what a meal. Salt and Lime here in Raleigh, North Carolina, when you don't want to go to RDU and fly to California. Awesome burger. Fresh, great chicken tinga burrito. Friole's just like home. Doc Martin's Food Adventures, 87% of you will like this. The other 13% will just drool and go to fast food. Wonderful atmosphere. Great location, located on Falls and Neuse. Check out that prickly pear margarita. Great stuff.